Hi, I'm Mari Labad and welcome to my YouTube channel, Mari's Corner. Right now, I have with me a very familiar face. Of course, the hip-hop icon, Mr. Andrew.
Yeah.
Hi, Sir Andrew. How are
Marius
you?
Corner.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Uh-huh.
And it's been a while na walang masyadong in-depth interview, kaya siguro I'm looking forward to this one.
Mm-hmm.
And sigurado mag-enjoy ako sa mga katanungan mong nagbabag.
I've heard you just arrived from the US.
From the US and of course Japan.
Di ba may award ka natanggap from the US?
Oh, this coming
November.
November 25.
Okay.
Yeah, it's the America Gawad Awards, Gawad America Awards,
Mm-hmm.
and it's gonna be in Hollywood, and ang ano ko doon is the rap icon of the Philippines. So so
Congratulations.
I like to thank the award-winning body for giving me that chance and opportunity to be in the roster of their awards night.
Pero wala kang show gagawin doon?
Wala naman,
Oo.
yeah.
Anyway, talking about the show, I've heard you're gonna have your own first concert after
Nako.
more than 30 years.
Maniniwala ba kayo like after 24 years? Kaya nga wala nga naniniwala eh. Wala nga sumiseryoso eh.
Bakit ang
Ito
tagal?
na lang eh. Teka look. Di ba, usually pag artist, di ba? Newcomer artist. You know what? Nag-hit na yung yung kanta mo. Nag-hit na yung album mo. Kailan kaya ang first major concert? Di ba yun ang tanong?
Oo, ganun talaga.
34 years na wala pa rin akong first major concert. Ano ba?
Bakit?
Yun na nga, kaya hindi sanay ang tao na nung nagsasabi ako, nag-a-announce ako, mga kaibigan, it's gonna be my first major concert in 34. Parang, teka.
1990 ka nag-start,
Oo,
right?
Bakit?
Oh.
Bakit? 2024 na ngayon, bakit?
34.
Di ba, parang, ngayon ka, first major?
Mm-hmm.
Really? May mga really pang kasama. So, yun na nga. Why? Number one is because, syempre, it takes a while for you na magkaroon ng chance na makakita ka ng producer na bibigyan ka ng laya, bibigyan ka ng freedom para i-express ang sarili mo artistically and in a very artistic way. Hindi lahat ng panahon at araw, dumarating yung panahon na yun.
Mm-hmm.
Once in a blue moon. Kaya nung dumating yun, it took me 2 coffees and 1 dinner. Sign ako, okay kami. And that's courtesy of Mr. Jonathan V. of Ticket One. So, nag-enjoy ako sa kanyang invitation sa akin na, Drew, give me your idea for a major concert and blah blah blah. And bibigyan kita ng free hand to do that and to execute that. Wow, thank you sir, thank you. So doon, nainganyo ako. Then that's the reason why meron na kaming first major concert.
And the title is One Time for Your Mind.
Yeah.
What's the rationale behind this title?
It's gonna be a simple meaning of one time, isang beses, para sa iyong isipan lamang.
Okay.
Huwag mong isipin na ito ay may second night, may third night. No. One night
Walang
only.
repeat?
Walang repeat. One night only. You miss it, you miss it. Ganun yun. So, and then let the people decide. Yung manonood, yung magkakaroon ng chance na manood, let the people decide kung wow, nag-enjoy ba kami?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. May ginawa ba siyang like very unique and very first time in the industry? Oh yes. So, yun yung challenge.
Mm-hmm.
Kailangan ganun palagi ang kasagutan na kaya nga one time for your mind. Is it, and I'm gonna ask you, sa iyong pananaw, ginawa ba niya ang isang bagay or mga bagay na ngayon mo lang nakita? Yes. O yun ang challenge. Pag yun nagawa ko, that's the only way na pwedeng maging successful yung One Time for Your Mind concert.
I-encapsulate mo ang 34 years niya yung career into a one-night show?
And not only that, maybe, yung mga favorite songs.
Yes, the
ng mga
selection
tao,
of your
yeah.
set list.
And not only that, maybe yung mga, ang tawag doon mga hidden songs ko na hindi masyadong nabistahan ng mga tao. And yet, mas magandang panoorin pag may visualization na.
Okay.
So, yun yung mga...
So may
comprise
technology,
na.
more on technology ito?
Oh,
Kasi I've read parang gusto maging Hollywood style.
Handa ka na. Natutunaw ako sa iyo mga magagandang pananalita. So, ako naman, I am only limited with the liberty of telling what's gonna be in store with the show.
Mm.
So, without further ado, understanding it, ibig sabihin, ang pwede ko lang isiwalat is yung mga major ideas. Pero yung mga details, baka
Okay.
hindi ako pwedeng
Yeah, briefly, what are the major
maybe,
ideas?
number one, tinanong nila kagad nila sa akin, sino mga magiging guest mo?
Oh, the director muna.
Oh, the director is Direk Noel.
Oh.
Okay, and of course, yung team niya, and matagal nang si Direk Noel sa industriya, so I trust him.
Noel.
So, I still have to
Okay.
the surname.
Okay.
I have to be sure kasi may isa pang Noel eh. So, patawad. Kay Direk Noel, at home ako and I trust his ability to entertain the people. And yet mas natutuwa ako dahil yung team niya ang kasama kasi matagal na rin silang kasama and adjoined with Ticket One.
Okay.
So para sa
But you're first time to work with them.
Yeah. So para sa akin hindi na rin lingid na meron na silang pinagsamahan and in any other case would be sanay na silang
Sa mga concert.
ng mga concerts.
Maximo.
Ha?
Direk Noel Maximo.
Direk Noel Maximo, there you
Thank
go.
you, Miss Mylene.
Thank you. Direk Noel, gamin ne.
The musical arranger?
Musical directors.
Director, I mean.
I have two. Arnold Haliores happens to be one of my arranger in the Human Kang Pangit album.
Okay.
And Alvin Carabello of my arranger naman in the Wholesome album.
Okay. Will this be a selection of your old classic songs, new tracks, and
Yeah.
cover songs?
Yeah, and yung mga not that much heard of songs.
When you say not much heard songs, ano to?
May I say baka ipasok ko rito yung Heartache Tonight maybe.
Mhm.
Maybe parang ganyan. So maraming smorgasbord ng mga kanta.
Mhm.
But ang pinaka balikan ko yung 2 minutes ago na sinabi mo. Yung isa sa mga magiging highlight dito would be sabi mo nga meron bang technological aspect.
Yes.
Okay, ang galing mo kasing nag-interview kaya na-reshape mo yung interview for me to spill along some info. Yes, merong technological aspect yung show, and moreover, the whole show will be like Las Vegas style.
Okay.
Meaning, you will be entertained while you're sitting down, and not much of a talk to the audience and audience talking to the artist. No, it's more of like the Las Vegas style. You watch, and watch, and then we will provide entertainment and sit down and relax, and everything's gonna go real good. Technological wise would be gagamit kami dito ng
Lights. Fabulous lights.
Yeah, isang bagay na shall I say mag-open mind to everyone where isipin nila na wait a minute, sandali. Teka, hindi namin inasahan to na gagawin mo ito sa amin. Okay? Did you
Yes,
feel
yeah.
na the notion of saying na teka,
Ma-amaze.
hindi namin tinasang gagawin mo to sa amin, Drew. Parang,
Surprise.
Diba? So yun yung ibig sabihin. Hanggang doon, ang limit na akin pwedeng sabihin. But
Okay.
at least may idea na meron akong gagawin na hindi lang akong gagawin, marami kaming gagawin.
Mhm.
For each and every song, there's gonna be a story, there's gonna be a gimmick, and there's gonna be a profound, never-seen gimmick for each and every
Malalim yun.
story. Or for each and every story with each and every song.
Uh-huh.
Kasi, ang pangit doon na na may kanta ka, tapos kumakanta ka lang.
Yes.
Kung may video ka, kumanta ka, video ka, the usual.
Mhm.
Pero walang nangyayaring gimmick. I don't like that. Gusto ko, each and every song, sasabihin mo, wow, okay itong gimmick na to ah. Next song, uy, okay ito ah. Third song, wow, okay ah.
Wow.
Fourth, puro ganon.
Okay.
Puro ganon yung
How
reaction.
long will be the show?
Maybe, we're not supposed to be straight up in detail kapag sinabi namin 1 hour and 15 minutes, 1 hour and 30 minutes, we don't know.
Mm.
Depende kung ano. Ang pwede kong isuwalat would be, it's gonna be a rap musical genre show,
Mhm.
but with orchestra.
Well, ilang pieces?
Well, hindi ko alam kung ano yung lilitaw na piraso doon.
Okay.
But it's gonna be with orchestra, together with the band, and there will be 2 drummers.
Mhm.
Yan, medyo, diba?
Okay.
2 drummers, 1 DJ, no dancers.
In Las Vegas, girls.
Oo. Hindi, depende.
Okay.
It might be Las Vegas men.
Oh.
Di ba? So, ngayon pa lang medyo kinikilig ka na.
Okay.
Might be.
Oh.
Sabi ko naman, walang assurance.
Okay.
Might be Las Vegas.
Assurance na lang. Wala
Oo.
right.
Might be. Hindi, para gumigita pa rin ako dun sa,
Okay, sige.
sa liberty ko. So, might be. And, show people, might be.
Mhm.
Meaning, nagsashow na ako, may show people pa. Okay? And, Andrew, rap show, di ba? Okay. Rap song, di ba? Okay. So, may mga rappers. That, I'm not sure again.
Salbacote will be there.
Oh, Salbakuta sinabi ko na. So,
Okay.
Salbakuta will be there, okay, to sing their monumental song.
Uh-huh.
And, of course, other rappers, ano? No. So, how about singers? Maybe, kung meron mang past song, not fast, past song na alam kong nagiliwan kayo nung mga 1 decade o 2 decades ago, 3 decades, na napaborito mong kanta, na ibabalik ko, na may ginasa mong singer, pwede. Ano yun? It's a jumping, tricky assurance. So, pwede. Or better yet, isa or dalawang manganganta na sikat, maybe not just Philippine-wide, kundi worldwide,
Mhm.
na pwedeng kaibigan ko. So, may pinagsamahan kami, kaya madali kong maimbita. Pwedeng ganon.
Uh-huh.
And so much to that, to top it all off, yes, parang ganon yung picture ng kabuuan ng show na magiging.
Based on your description, hindi masyadong maliit ano front.
Uy, thank you. Maliit nga, but for me and for us, hindi naman namin habol yung grand na malakihan.
Pero sayang all the efforts.
Ayaw, di ba? Di ba?
Yeah.
Yung di ba yung sasabihin mo, like you will endow the crowd and say, uy, okay to ah. Uy, okay to ah. Di ba dapat pag maramihan na yun? No, hindi namin habol yun. Ang habol namin is to entertain the solid Andrew E. fan base who's willing to shell out just good money enough
Yes.
to get good tickets, and yung tipong willing to watch because Andrew E. never had a major concert.
Mhm.
Yung talagang at home ako na sila yung mga tunay kong Andrew E. na appreciator, nag-appreciate sa music ko, and then parang returning it back and returning the favor for them para maibalik ko yung pagmamahal na binigay nila sa akin.
Okay.
And this one is showing my love back.